दुख बीजेबी करके है एक फोल्डर। बीजेसी करके एक फोल्डर है ना। जीरो, हाँ जीरो। हेलो हेलो। हेलो हेलो। हेलो।
Hello, hi Varsha.
हाय, गुड
Good
आफ्टरनून।
afternoon. How are you?
आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू। हाउ टू?
Yeah. So, I will be giving my introduction.
या श्योर।
Then you can proceed with your. So, I mostly work on the backend side, Spring Boot, microservices, and REST services. Apart from that, I have worked for the PayPal and JPMC. Working for JPMC, it is my client. So yeah, these things that I have. Can you proceed with yours? Okay, okay, fine. So can you brief me about your project? What is your role on that? What have you developed any new feature or enhancing the feature? So how it was?
Yeah. So in my project, we can say it is a internal project. In our organization, multiple apps are there, application are there. When we deploy application on production, so that time we are not able to see logs on production. So that's why this deploy microservice came in role. So with this microservices we can logs after deployment also in production. So there most of the time I have written most of the time I have written API REST APIs like get, post, put.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So okay, yeah, continue.
Yeah. So there are rules suppose we create one microservices like user service we created. So when we build this service, so on console we are able to see logs or one file we created.
Mm-hmm.
So with the help of FileBeat, we read the that log file, and after that we store as index in Elasticsearch, and
Okay.
automatically Kibana read that logs.
Okay. So as you telling me that you have used you develop REST API,
Yeah, right.
can you write some skeleton of the project for the controller layer, service
MVC.
layer, and these things. Can you write this?
Yeah, yeah. MVC.
Yeah, please share your screen.
Yeah, sure. Is it visible?
Yeah, this way.
Okay.
You can use IntelliJ if you're fine. No issue.
Yeah.
It's not mandatory to use this one.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, you can write in single file. You don't need to create multiple file. In single file, you can create.
Okay. Okay.
Can you disable the Git Copilot?
Okay.
Yeah, you can write these field inside the constructor only. Na?
Yeah, yeah,
You can pass. Yeah, no need to write the getter and setter. Okay. Can you go top?
yeah.
So can you tell me the difference between query param and path variable?
So path variable it means like we can say like path variable it means like any value come with by URL. So it is called path
Hmm.
variable like this API
This is path
employee.
variable.
Yes, it is a path. Not it is a yeah, it is a path variable, but it is inside the right inside the get mapping out like that. This is ID.
Okay.
Yeah, and query param we can say like coming after question mark. So it is used mostly for sorting purpose.
Okay. So can you tell me the how we can define the common prefix so that let's say we have
Context.
if we are defining the URL and it should be common, like let's say user, then we have multiple users slash ID, particular ID. So where we can define these things?
We can define here also like request mapping like that here like user and the inside the application dot property file also like we can define a context path.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between the REST controller and controller?
So REST controller it means we don't need to write at the rate response body.
Okay.
Yeah, but with the
Any
sorry.
any other difference?
Yeah, like controller mainly used for like HTML, CS, JSP. That's why, and but REST controller return like a, JSML, sorry JSON format.
Okay, only REST control can return JSON only, or
Mm,
any other format it can also return.
XML also.
Yeah, do you have idea how we can implement it if we want to return response as a XML or HTML?
So then we can with the help of oh sorry only controller.
No, no, I want to use I want to achieve this thing using the REST controller only.
For the rest with the rest controller. Mm, like rest controller. Mm, yeah,
Okay,
yeah, we can we have to write. Sorry, I don't know about it.
yeah, fine, no issue. Uh, can we change the Tomcat server default server inside the Spring Boot file? How we can do that?
So like inside the pom.xml file like we use web starter. So inside the web starter like Tomcat server we have to exclude that server
Okay,
inside the
but
yeah.
let's say we want to add JT, so how we can do that?
So like yeah, for GT we have to exclude Tomcat server but for JT we have to add a dependency for JT inside the pom.xml file.
What is a profiler and actuator inside Spring Boot?
Profiler mostly we use like we have different environment like production testing environment. So like we want to like define particular. We can change different
I
environment.
think that is profile,
Yeah,
and profiler is something else.
profiler.
Yeah, I think monitoring tool we use for
Yeah,
that.
monitoring tool we use actuator.
Okay, 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 fine, no issue. Mm, okay, but let's say we are defining the in the REST controller,
Hmm.
we are exposing the API with the same method. So, what Spring Boot will do?
Hmm.
Like, let's say you have defined two method, get all embedded, get all employees, and we defined again same method.
Hmm.
Then what it will do?
So
Spring
like,
Boot
yeah. So like
will
we
it
can.
do?
Sorry.
Yeah, sure. Go, go, go.
Yeah, if we want to create a same method inside a class, so like we have to like change the parameter, number of parameter.
No, there is the same. There is no difference in the parameter. I don't want to create. If I already created, will
So
there
Spring
be
will
any
not
issue?
allow this.
Okay, okay, fine. What kind of error we will getting?
Uh, I may be illegal state exception.
Okay. Okay. Mm, so have you implemented or authentication?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me the workflow how the authentication will work in the in the microservice application?
Yeah, so like there are two types form based authentication. Like we have to add only one dependency inside the pom.xml file, Spring security starter, and there are JSON token also, JWT token also there. So we have to add some dependency for that, JSON web token and uh, not all dependency I remember, but these
Yeah,
dependency
fine, fine.
to
So
add.
I just wanted to know how the structure, how two application working. Let's say there is one user. Let's say we have a catalog service,
Mhm.
and other is a user. So how authentication service? How we will authenticate the user service using the authentication service?
Mhm. So like suppose we have a two serv- firstly like we and user enter their username and password. So firstly check okay, it is a um, authenticate person or not, like that. And we use a rule also, like it is a admin role or a user role, like that.
Okay. Okay, as you telling me that you have used JWT, so
Yes.
can you tell me the structure of JWT?
Yeah, so JWT token, it means it consists of three header, payload, and signature. So
Hmm.
mm, so it means a header consists mainly JSON part token, like signing algorithm we can say, and head payload, like what we want to give contain, we can say metadata
Okay.
inside JSON format. And signature we can say like used to verify token, it is
Okay.
authenticate or not.
Mhm. Can you tell me the difference between at the rate qualifier annotation and primary?
Yes, at the rate qualifier, it means suppose when Spring Boot confuse, and suppose we have a multiple interfaces. Uh,
Hmm.
just a minute. Suppose like we have more than one beans of the same type, so that time like Spring would not able to know like which one need to inject automatically, so that time we use at the rate qualifier. And
Primary,
primary,
primary.
yeah, primary. We can say like uh, default choice. We can say,
Okay.
yeah.
So have you used like how you handle the exception in Spring Boot project?
So like we can use advice controller for globally handling exception.
What if we have to handle the
Yeah.
exception inside method then?
Yeah, so like we use at the rate exception handler, handle specific exception, and we use response entity also return proper HTTP status and message. Like suppose we have a one class for create custom exception, so we create like particular any class and it extend a exception class, and inside
Okay.
this class we create one constructor and we pass any message inside it, and we use super keyword there to call.
Okay. What is like fin client?
Fin client mainly we use for like we have a two microservices, so we want to communicate to each other, so that time we use fin client.
Uh, what about the web client?
Web client is also used for synchronous communication and microservices, same.
Asynchronous or synchronous?
Web client used for synchronous.
Okay. So you worked on the microservices, right?
Right, right.
So can you tell me how you implemented the discovery service?
So for discovery service like Air, sorry, uh, Eureka server are there. So like we have to add one dependency inside the pom.xml file, and Eureka server we can say is it discovers servers, and Eureka client also. So microservice that registered with it we can say, and yeah, only these things. And inside the we have to add a dependency and
Let's say
enable inside the main class, no, inside the enable Eureka server.
okay. Let's say one of the service is not available. Then
Mhm.
how you identify this is the service is available or not? We should hit the APIs or not? How we will know
With
that?
the help of at the rate circuit breaker we can check.
At the rate circuit breaker. What is it? What we use for it?
Circuit breaker, no, we for health check we can use a Eureka only, but circuit breaker like suppose we have a two microservices A and B. Suppose we are calling any API A from B, B API. So like that time maybe second one service is shut down because of any reason. So
No, I'm asking how. Let's say one service is down inside a microservice architecture. How will we identify this service is down or not?
with the help of Eureka we can check because we have UI.
Do we maintain any registry or
Yeah.
how we are doing? Okay, okay. Have you worked on the any design pattern in this
Yes,
microservices?
yes, I have worked like circuit breaker. I have worked and Saga
Other
pattern
like
also. Saga pattern.
so
Every
why we use Saga pattern if we have like acid property? So
yeah.
how? Yeah.
So like Saga pattern mainly useful like it is a sequence of local transaction. If any transaction fail, then compensation transaction uh, call. So like in a monolithic application, all modules like share a single database. So single transaction can ensure acid properties we can say, and in microservices, each service has its own database for the independence. So that's
Mm.
why.
So how we had because acid properties maintain in only one single server or single databases, but in the microservice we have multiple databases. So
Yes.
how will we like handling the? like transaction values inside the microservices.
So with the help of Saga pattern, um,
Saga pattern we have two types,
yeah,
like
creation and
choreography and
choreography.
architecture.
Yeah.
So which one are you using and why?
Kafka, sorry, orchestrator we use like suppose it follows a central workflow like orchestration, any microservice like give what we can say.
Okay,
Mm,
okay. Can you help me like how dependency injection is handled inside the Spring Boot application?
yeah, inside the Spring Boot, we can handle like we can use at the rate AutoWire with the help of AutoWire. We don't need to create a object.
Is there any other way?
Yeah, like constructor also there. Construction
Which one we prefer?
constructor because when we return JUnit test case, so that time constructor we can write a JUnit test case for constructor.
Okay. What is a circular dependency?
Circular dependency. Circular dependency like dependency like happen when two or more beings depend on each other directly or indirectly we can say.
So how we like it is good for the application or bad for application? If bad, then how we will resolve this issue?
For this
Okay, let me. Can you tell me the like how Spring Boot and Spring is different from each other, and what benefit Spring Boot comes with?
spring in a spring boot like we can automatic configuration are there but in spring we have to do manually like suppose we have to add a connect we want to connect with database so like in spring boot we have to add a dependency inside the pom.xml file and we have to write some properties inside the application.property files like Spring database URL, username, like the driver, rest, and
Mm,
inside the Spring we have to configure all the things manually.
okay.
But
Can you tell me the what is a bean?
bean, bean, we can say bean means like a bean is simply an object. We can say that a Spring man is it's create a initialize and injected automatically by the Spring IOC.
What is the default scope of bean?
Sorry, default
Bean.
default scope singleton.
Okay. Other what other scope are there?
uh, Other prototype and prototype and builder prototype request session.
Okay. What is the difference between a session and prototype?
Session it means one being instance per HTTP session and prototype means a new instance is created every time.
Okay. Um, okay. So as you told me that you working mostly on the monitoring tools.
Hmm.
So let's say inside microservices, if one application is failing,
Hmm.
okay, then not failing, there is issue with the microservice. Some of the functionality is not working.
Hmm.
Then how we will debug it in the microservice architecture?
So inside the microservice, like firstly we check the logs. So in logs, like what error is coming, so firstly we check in which class and which line number uh, error is coming.
Okay.
Yeah, so we check there, like suppose coming null pointer exception, like that. So firstly we
Okay.
check in which class and in which line numbers, and we can say like why their coming value is null, where from this is a value is passing, why value is not able to pass. We check, we will check.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Can you tell me what is the class
Class,
loader?
class loader, class loader, mm, class loader we can say like in Java is a part of JVM that responsible for loading class files into memory or memory at runtime.
Okay. How many types are the class loader are there?
Types, types of we can say bootstrap class loader and extension class loader, and one more also, maybe application class loader.
Okay. 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 So, what is the feature of Java 21?
21. Java 21 feature. Yeah, only but I have idea only one features I know.
Yeah, yeah, please.
Yeah, record patterns that is introduced in
What
Java
is it?
21. Sorry.
What is it? What is it for?
Huh.
What purpose you use it?
So allow pattern matching inside record object, and yeah,
Okay. What is a solid panels? Are you aware of?
solid principle.
Huh.
Yeah, so solid principle as a stand for like we can say single responsibility principle. It means like every class has only one job, and uh, O stand for um, open close principle. Like classes should be open for extension and but close for modification. We can say. And
Okay.
I stand for list scope substitution principle. So we can say like subclasses should be replaceable for their parent type without breaking behavior. And L L for interface segregation principle. It means don't force a class to implement interface if it doesn't use. And D stand for dependency inversion principle. We can say like it is a high level module, should not depend on low level modules. We can say
Okay. What is loose coupling?
loose coupling. Loose coupling means like mm, what we can say. Loose coupling. It means like classes depends on each other as like small as possible.
Okay. Okay. So, what is the design patterns?
So there are many types of design pattern, singleton design pattern, and singleton design pattern in microservices, also like saga design pattern, circuit design pattern, and in Java like factory design pattern also there.
What is the builder design pattern?
Builder design pattern means like build a complex object step by step using a builder class.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is that I wanted to ask. Do you have any question?
Yes, can you please tell me like in which part I need to focus more?
Yeah. You need to focus. This thing is fine for you. The coding part. You need to focus on more on the Spring Boot and microservices
Okay,
concept.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I will work on it.
Okay.